Ngayon, marami na ang mga Pinoy ballers na naglalaro overseas sa Japan, Korea, Taiwan at kung saan-saan pa. Pero kung babalikan natin, sino nga ba ang nagsimula nito? Bago siya naging import, 3D Ravenna was Ateneo's King Eagle, anak ng PBA legend na si Bong Ravenna at mas nakababatang kapatid ng The Phenom Kiefer Ravenna. Malaking pressure agad ang pasok ni 3D sa college basketball. Maraming umaasa, marami ring nagdududa. Pero instead of crumbling, he carved his own path. After a rocky rookie season, 3D transformed into a beast on the court. 3-time UAAP Finals MVP, back-to-back-to-back champion. Noong 2020, after graduating, shocking ang balita. Hindi sasali si 3D sa PBA draft. Instead, pupunta siya sa Japan para maglaro sa San Neo Phoenix sa B-League. At dito nagsimula ang kanyang pro career na puno ng kontrobersiya. Kesyo, pera-pera lang daw, draft dodger.
Oh, definitely we're not dodging anything. We had no idea whatsoever during the season I would be the consensus first draft pick at the mga namin sa exactly being number 1 pick. So definitely not doing that. And I just happened to have a couple of opportunities to play and I think I want to take that opportunity.
Pero eventually, ang move na ito ang nagbukas ng maraming pinto. At para sa buong kwento, panoorin ang YouTube channel ng The Pinoy Step.